Hello everyone. Myself Dr. Sunil Anand. I am in Skill Automotive Skills BSDU. I am here to tell you about the new venture what we have started in BSDU along with the collaboration of Decibels. So we have developed a state-of-art lab for EVs. Everybody knows that trend is for electric vehicles, and all academics is also involving in that particular domain so that we can have good training setups in all the institutes. So one thing which is more important is that everybody is focusing toward development of EVs and design aspects of EV, but the most important thing that we need to understand is that now it's not that EV is coming, EV is already in Indian roads. So the most important part is that we have to focus toward the after-sales service of EV, and being from BSDU and skill faculty of automotive skill, we focus more on the after-sales service. So this particular lab we have developed for after-sales service trainings of technicians and for our VWOC students also. I would like to thank my BSDU management and RUGCT management for keeping faith on us and allowing us to develop the initial phase 1 of this particular EV lab, and we are having a good plan for extension of these particular labs with more diagnostic types of things involving that particular thing.